bounds.
Hingga bayasong, phaidi sung tini tewaisa kaham ke jora nalai bucilayan. Tangni himale okok thai gobang kuk borokni khugo ongkhoni tongkha abo tamo abo hingke Tiprasa ni solution. Phiaba sini maharaja bo sai tongkha constitutional solution. Tiprasa ni solution nango. Phiaba bobono tui solution sung takun saimiya. Tangi himale tini je topic nang tubi tongo norokbai salanya bagai abo hingke constitutional solution. Sini bubagra samani phia o kok thaino eba o video no naini sai sikang ang norno koinai tumuno norok sini maharaja sini bubagarna hamjakmani chajakmani tongui tongkha hangke eba 14 lakh 15 lakh Tiprasa non hamjagui tongkha hangke phaidi sung o S.TIPRA channel sung support khailen haisi subscribe khailen like khailen haisi share tangi himale obon kaisa lama sung sini raja no support khaimani obono sini kaisa lama raja ni bagai sung thimano huni sung phunuk manani tangai sung raja ni paskang tai thangmali tani hazar hazar lakh lakh borok aboni bagai kaisa lama raja no hamjak mani raja hamjak tongmone abon phungna bagai hingake ekta no lama abo hingake social media aboni bagai phaidi bayasong sung kaham ke silainai je sungno maharaja samani bar bar Tiprasa ni solution phia sung busia greater Tripura ni sung busika kintu Tiprasa ni solution tam obo sung busia tini je point no ang tubi to norbai share khainani obo ngi mano obo alternative Tripura mothani eba sini maharaja ni solution eba point topic awno gano kam ke busidi bunyo sanani nangana bunyo busiri marani nangana nang kam ke busike nang bunyo busiri manai o video no pai thang jora kam ke nadi haisi awni bagai tini je ang topic no tubi tong oro tamo point tong te o point no sung mani tong hangke eba maharaja tumuno o point no tui nai sanai tong hangke eba obok tumun Tripura mothani tamnai bono alternative demand ngi tong hangke o point no sung man hangke greater Tripura land maya phano sung thangai de mano sini raja sai tongkha yes solution nuti phiaba oro je kok thai tongo obo ngi mano bosidi share khaide hasi gobang Hambai. Number 1 Union territory under Article 1 and 2 of the Constitution of India. Number 2 Autonomous state under Article 244A of the Constitution of India. Number 3 50% seats reserved in the Tripura Legislative Assembly for indigenous people of Tripura. Number 4 inner line permit within TTADC areas should be introduced. Number 5 arrangement of direct funding from central to TTADC by making suitable amendment to the Constitution of India. Number 6 TTADC should be given the powers to recruit police with or without arms to maintain law and order situation within TTADC areas and to protect to Public Properties Act. Number 7 land allotment and settlement powers should be given to TTADC within TTADC areas. Number 8 all the blocks within TTADC areas should be handed over to TTADC authority along with the staff and required funds. Number 9 all the education institution within TTADC areas including class 12 school, PTI, ITI degree, college and NIT Act to be handed over to TTADC authority along with staff and required funds. Number 10. Government should recognize cockbrock in Roman script and should also be included in the 8th schedule to the Constitution of India. Number 11. All natural resources found within TTADC areas like natural gas, forest, egg should be utilized for TTADC areas. And number 12. The TTADC area should be empowered to collect taxes within TTADC areas including toll fees. Number 13. At least one tribal central university must be set up within TTADC areas. Number 14. College hostels must be set up in all the metro cities of India for indigenous people of Tripura. Number 15. There should be an international airport within TTADC area. And now, number 16. In the civil service examination like IAS, IPS, IFS conducted by the UPSC, the tribal candidates of Tripura are compulsory to take major Indian language. In lieu of meal, they should be exempted to take alternative English like any other candidates in the Northeast India like Mizoram, Meghalaya and Nagaland. Thank you.